Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to install VMWare Tools on VMWare Workstation Player. For this, first click on this one Player option and then select Manage, and then here select this one option Install VMWare Tools. It will mount a virtual CD-ROM. So to open it, first open File Explorer on your Windows PC. You can use Windows plus E shortcut key, then select this PC in the left sidebar. On the right, you will see this one VMware Tools is mounted in the virtual CD-ROM. Right click on it and select here install or run program from your media. When Windows prompts, click on yes button. It will start installing VMware Tools on your guest machine. In case it does not work for you, right click on this one virtual machine, virtual CD-ROM, and select here open option. Then you will see here two setup files. One is for Windows 32-bit and one is for Windows 64-bit. According to your operating system, double click on the setup file and start installing it on your Windows PC. Once installation is completed, you will be asked to restart your Windows PC. Once the installation is completed, click on this one finish button, and after restarting your PC, you will have several benefits such as you can drag and drop any files or folder from your guest to host or host to guest. You can increase or decrease resolution of your guest operating system, etc.